Okay, so let's ask NVIDIA AI impact analysis. It is transferring the tasks to each of those agents. This is the web agent, and then we have the finance agent. Okay, so here we have the result, nicely formatted. Do you believe this? If you have an AI automation agency, you can readily do such a team of agents. You can add as many highly specialized agents so that it is easy to improvise this team. Because if you put all these into one agent, then it becomes difficult to clearly describe what you expect from agent. So if you split an agent into teams like this, you can really focus on each individual agent to make it better and better and assemble them as a team. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. This is a series of videos on Agno Agent. And this is the 5th video in the series. In the previous videos, we saw how we can make the agent more and more powerful. In this video, what we're going to do is we are going to see how we can assemble multiple agents into a team. So it is easy to segregate tasks and focus on really fine-tuning each agent to do its work best. First, let's look at the code. This is from the Getting Started under the cookbooks repo of Agno. So there, if you click, you will find agent team.py. This is what we are going to run today. But the difference is we will run it in the command line how it is given, but we will also run it within Streamlit as a web application, and we will also provide streamed output so that you do not have to wait for the entire output to be ready before it is displayed. Okay, so in this command line example, the agent is being used for these 3 questions. So let's go over this code first. Okay, so here there is no change here other than adding a finance tool. So first is web agent. Okay, so the instruction is all that you need to work on to make this agent to do what you want it to do. Okay, no other changes here. Here, this is using GPT-4o, but we can use DeepSeek, Gemini, and even the latest Grok. Okay. Next is finance agent. Again, the only difference that you need to do is here. Okay. So this is the finance agent. So we have defined 2 agents. And these 2 agents are identical to our previous videos covering those agentic examples. And this is what is new in this video. That is, what you're doing is, you're again defining an agent, but this time we are defining the team variable. And there we are providing the web agent and the finance agent. And accordingly, you give your instructions for this team to work. That is it. Then we are querying this team. So instead of querying the agent directly, you are querying this variable, that is agent underscore team. So let's see how it works in the command line. Remember, the entire code is available. All you need to do is to git clone the repo and just run it. You don't need to edit anything other than the .env file. So after you clone, you will have a Techie Talks AI folder. Within that folder, you will find an Agno folder, and inside Agno folder, you will find 005-agent-team. There, if you see, you will find few files. One is Docker Compose that defines 2 services. Okay, so service 1 is the app.st, I hope you don't mind the sound from the bird. Okay, so we have two sections. Now this one is plain Python. So the example given by Agno runs as it is. And here we have Streamlit web application. So here we are running the Streamlit web application, and here we are running the Python. Accordingly, we have two scripts, app.py and appst.py. So those are the two files that you see here. Now what you need to do is to ensure that you edit this .env.example and put your API keys and rename it as .env. I have my DeepSeek, OpenAI and XAI API keys in this file. Then the command line Python code you run like this: Docker Compose run app. This runs this app service. Okay, summarize analyst recommendations and share the latest news for NVDA. NVDA is the stock symbol for NVIDIA. See, it is transferring task to finance agent, transferring task to web agent. Let's wait. Okay, the result is coming. Okay, so this is the command line testing of the team of agents. Two agents put together as a team. Okay, so see, fantastic output generated for you. Okay, so before we see how the Streamlit application can be run, let's quickly go over the code. Identical code. Only thing is we are wrapping this in Streamlit library. Here we have a function defined as create agent team, and within that function, web agent, the finance agent and the team are defined, and finally it returns the team agent, identical to our previous Python example. This line here, agent team, create agent team, the function is called. This function is where we are creating both agents and the team. So this agent team will return this agent object, which is actually a team. So whenever we run this object, the agent runs with the query. So this is where we are running the agent. So here agent underscore team dot run, we are passing the query stream equal to true. And if the stream checkbox is off, we are running with stream equal to false. Clear? That is it. There is no other difference. So how do we run it? Docker compose up app-st. Remember, you need to build Docker Compose, build first. Okay, so web application is running. Let's refresh this page. And it is ready. So let's try a query. You can press enter, but I will also enable the streaming option, which will also start the application. See, transfer task to web agent, transfer task to finance agent. Okay, so it's coming. The result is coming. See, beautifully formatted financial report. See, it is latest information. So you can build such a team of agents in 5 minutes. Okay, and then you work on the prompt of each of those agents to make it better and better to do that specific task well. So give your valuable thoughts on these videos, and please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time. See you again next video. Bye-bye.